Lose belly fat without exercise. Easy tips for a slimmer waistline. Losing belly fat without exercise might seem challenging, but it is entirely possible with the right strategies. Whether you're short on time or simply not a fan of working out, making targeted lifestyle and dietary changes can help you achieve your goals. Here's how to lose belly fat without exercise and improve your overall health in the process. Be sure to like and subscribe for the best weight loss and health tips. 1. Focus on a healthy diet. Your diet plays a critical role in reducing belly fat. To lose belly fat without exercise, aim for nutrient-rich foods that promote fat loss and avoid those that contribute to weight gain. Eat more fiber. Soluble fiber helps you feel full longer and reduces calorie absorption. Include foods like oats, flax seeds, avocados, and legumes in your diet. Cut back on sugar. Excess sugar can lead to fat accumulation, especially around the belly. Avoid sugary beverages, processed snacks, and desserts. Include healthy fats. Healthy fats from sources like olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish can boost metabolism and keep you satiated. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water aids digestion and prevents overeating by promoting a feeling of fullness. 2. Practice portion control. Controlling portion sizes is a simple yet effective way to lose belly fat without exercise. Use smaller plates, avoid second servings, and listen to your body's hunger cues to avoid overeating. This small change can have a big impact over time. 3. Improve your sleep patterns. Poor sleep is closely linked to weight gain and belly fat. To lose belly fat without exercise, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine can help improve your sleep quality. 4. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage in the abdominal area. To manage stress, practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Engage in hobbies that bring you joy. Limit exposure to stressful environments whenever possible. 5. Avoid excess alcohol. Alcohol consumption can lead to an increase in belly fat due to its high calorie content and its impact on liver function. Limiting or eliminating alcohol from your diet is a key step in reducing belly fat without exercise. 6. Try intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between eating and fasting periods. This eating pattern can help you reduce calorie intake and improve your body's fat-burning ability, especially around the belly area. Common methods include the 16-8 method, 16 hours of fasting followed by an 8-hour eating window. 7. Monitor your caloric intake. Even without exercise, maintaining a calorie deficit is essential for losing belly fat. Use a food diary or app to track your daily intake and ensure you're not consuming more calories than your body needs. 8. Boost your metabolism. Certain foods and habits can naturally boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Add metabolism-boosting foods like green tea, spicy peppers, and protein-rich meals to your diet. Additionally, avoid long periods of sitting by incorporating short walks or standing breaks throughout your day. Bonus tip: try Java Burn. For an ultimate solution to losing belly fat without exercise, use Java Burn. This revolutionary all-natural supplement is specifically designed to supercharge your metabolism and enhance fat burning. By simply mixing Java Burn into your morning coffee, you can enjoy sustained energy and effortless weight loss support throughout the day. Its powerful ingredients work synergistically to target stubborn belly fat, making it the perfect addition to your weight loss journey. Java Burn not only fits seamlessly into your daily routine, but also amplifies the effectiveness of your other weight loss efforts. If you're ready to take control of your weight and see real results, click the link in the description below to start using Java Burn and experience the difference for yourself. Losing belly fat without exercise is achievable by focusing on a healthy diet, managing stress, and improving your overall lifestyle. These simple yet effective changes can lead to a slimmer, healthier you. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. If you want to learn more about how to lose weight fast, check out this next video.